Welcome back to another video. In this video we will be solving the LeetCode problem 347, top k frequent elements. Let's start with the implementation. We will first initialize an empty dictionary. Then we will iterate over all of the elements in the nums list. We will check if the current element is present in the dictionary or not as a key. If it is already present as a key, you will simply increment its count value by 1, else we will initialize the key with value is equal to 1. Then we will sort the map. Sorted, we will use the sorted function and we will pass the items, that is key values. Then we will pass the element on which we want to form the operation, that is on the values in the map, that is the count of each key, lambda x of 1. Then reverse is equal to true because we want the dictionary to be sorted in the decreasing order of the count values of the elements. Then for list underscore element in sorted underscore list. Now the sorted function returns a list of sorted key value pairs in form of tuples. First we will check if k is greater than 0. If k is greater than 0, append the current key to the list. Result dot append list for element of 0. K minus is equal to 1. Then we will break. If k is equal to 0, we will break out of this loop and we will return the result. Okay, this is items, not item. Let's submit the solution and let's see if all the test cases pass or not. Okay, all of the test cases pass, and let's go over the solution once again. First we initialize an empty dictionary, then we iterate over all of the elements present inside the nums list. If the element is already present in the map, we will simply increment its value by 1, else we will initialize the value to 1. Then we are sorting the map in decreasing order of the count of the values, and then we are iterating over the sorted list and checking if the count of k is greater than 0 or not. If it is greater than 0, simply append the key to the resultant list. If k is equal to 0, break and return the result.